Hey there, today I want to show you how to edit the pronunciation of different words when you are using the Grid for iPad program.
My name is Karah.
It pronounces my name as Karah, but I pronounce my name as Karah. So in order to change that, you would navigate up here to these three little dots to pull up your settings menu. You'll select settings, and once you are on the settings page, you will go to the left-hand side and select speech. You'll scroll down to the bottom where it says pronunciation, select the plus in the upper right-hand corner, type in the word as it's spelled in your device. Under pronunciation, you'll type out how you want your name to be pronounced phonetically. This might take some trial and error. I'm going to try Karah, and then we will select the test button.
Karah.
And it just sounds like care. So let's play around with this and put a space between the two. Now let's select test.
Karah.
That's close enough for me, so I'm going to keep that, and then I'll hit save. And then when you go back and select done, when you go back to your app, it should correct it.
My name is Karah.
There we go.